Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jillian and this is Simply Budgets. Here on my channel, my husband and I are on a journey to become debt-free. We use a zero-based budget and cash stuffing method to keep us on track. Our biggest goal is to pay off our debt and simplify our life and our budget. If this is something that interests you, stick around. Today's video is actually bonus content. I am going to be budgeting bonus income that we have had this month. So we got our tax return today, and I am going to budget what we're doing with that extra income. We got more back than we were expecting. But I also started working from home in the fall, and I think that has impacted how much we're getting back. So I'm just going to set off my budget binder off to the side, and I will zoom you in so you're able to see what I'm doing. All right, I hope y'all can see that. So I'm going to be actually budgeting for both my husband and myself extra income together. So it's April 20th, and this is going to be tax refund. So I don't want this to be, so my amount and my husband's for a total, so I got $1,603.15. My husband got $674.08. So that gives us a total of $2,277.23. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set some money aside from this to cover our property taxes. I miss the days of our property taxes being paid with your mortgage, but apparently in Nova Scotia, we found out when we were looking to get our mortgage, it'll be 4 years this fall, 4 years ago, that they're no longer paying your property taxes. Like, you used to be able to have your property taxes worked into your mortgage payment, and then the mortgage company would just send that payment off to the property tax company, to the county, whoever it needed to go to. But we were informed that there were too many issues with that, whether it be the mortgage companies weren't sending it off, and then people were getting late fees, missed payments, lost payments, that sort of thing. So they no longer do that. So we now need to pay the county directly. And so we get a tax bill twice a year. So what we want to do is set aside the amount of money that we have still owing and will get. So we're going to set aside $940.88 for the remaining property tax for this year. And then we are also going to take out of that the amount that it cost for our personal taxes, to pay our accountant to do our taxes this year, was $125. And we just took that out of our buffer in our account. So we're going to replace that money from this as well. So those two items add up to $1,065.88. So that leaves us with $1,211.35. I'm going to take the 35 cents off there, and we're going to move forward with $1,211. So now for our weekly envelopes, the amount that we're going to allocate here, the only ones we're going to put money into will be the pet fund, pet care. And we're going to put $45 into that. And then Now, this isn't going to come out of, like, we're not going to have to pull this money to cash stuff it, but my husband is going to get $75 and I will get $75. And that will be our spending money, and he's already taken the $75 out, and I've also transferred it to my personal savings account. So this total is $195, which leaves us $1,016. Move this over here. And our sinking funds, we're going to put money into Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, home renovations or maintenance, vehicle maintenance, memberships and subscriptions, and travel. So we're going to put $110 into Mother's Day, $135 into Father's Day, $50 into Christmas, $100 into home renos, $100 into vehicle maintenance, $50 into memberships, and $270 into travel. Now I haven't added this up, so let's add this up. So 110, 135, 50, 100, 150, 270. So that comes to $815, and that will leave $201 remaining. We're not going to put anything on debt this time, and so we'll bring this down here. So into emergency fund, we are going to put $150, and to month ahead, we are going to put $50. For a total of $200, and that leaves $1 remaining. All right, so let's add this up and see how much we needed. So I put check marks here because those have already been taken care of. And so we've got 45, 815, and 200. So $1,060 is our total. I'll put that here. Okay. So we've got, see if I can do this off of memory, pet care, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, home reno, vehicle maintenance, memberships, and travel. And then emergency fund and month ahead. Okay. Pet care is 45, 110, 135, 50, 100, 100, 50, 270, 150, and 50. I think I did that right. 50, 270, 150, and 50. Okay. How are we breaking this down? Let's see here. 45. So 45. 110, 1, 20, 35, 50, 100, 100, 40, 50, 250, 70, 150, and 50. I think that will work. So we have 2 for $10, 3 for $30, 6 for $120. Had a moment there. My brain wasn't working. Let's see here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 50 times 12 should be 600. And 3 is 300. And let's make sure I copied this over correctly. And now add this up. It's correct. All right. I'll go to the bank, get that money out, and then that cash stuffing will be posted later today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this content. If you have, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know how your debt journey is going and how I can cheer you on your own journey. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.